What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about 9 mega cap stocks in this video. But before we get started, please hit that thumbs up button. That is greatly appreciated and that really helps out with YouTube algorithm. And if you want to support the channel and get my daily trade ideas, my swing trade ideas, 3 days of live trading in my Discord, definitely check out the Patreon. I'll leave a link down below in the description. And if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. And now let's get right into it, guys. On Tesla stock is up 0.46% and Tesla now holding red line 50 SMA as a support 256.64 all day today. Now yesterday and day before I said here in my video that Tesla could be consolidating right here, forming another bull flag. And Tesla gets that breakout above 262 and this Bollinger Band on top expands all the way up to 290. Guess what? You're going to see a massive explosion all the way up to 290. So going into tomorrow, guys, Tesla, you want to watch 262. If that breaks, Tesla moving higher all the way up to this gap. It's going to take some time, not tomorrow, but that's going to happen here on Tesla. Also, you want to watch the support 256.64. It was holding all day, red line 50 SMA, and only if that gives up, we also have support at 252 and then down here 250, blue line 5 SMA before coming all the way down to 240. On Meta, it's up 0.27%, and this was a big trade on Meta that I missed today by only 90 cents. Now, I made the call out for Meta here to buy puts around 302, and look at what happened, guys. 301.10, and then this thing got decimated from 301, and we do have big resistance at 300. It was also trading above 297, so my target was shorting at 302 and selling out right here at the support 297. Well, look at it now. I mean, look at this candle, and that is a massive rejection on Meta. So tomorrow, you want to see Meta above 297 and then 300. Only if that happens, Meta can move higher all the way up to 316. Now Meta gets rejected from 297, white line 20 SMA tomorrow. Watch out for the support down here, 293, 290, and then a quick flush all the way back down to 276. That is also possible on Meta. And this, I mean, it was just not meant for me today. And that is why, I mean, it's only 90 cents, but I was just waiting to get a perfect entry on Meta around 302, and that never came. And then this one here, I mean, for tomorrow expiration, I mean, that was massive. I think it was like 200% on Meta if I was buying puts right here around 301, not waiting for 302. On Amazon stock, it's up over 2%. And look at what happened here on Amazon. And I said it last night, Amazon gets that breakout above white line 20 SMA. This thing can run up to 138. And Amazon ran all the way up to almost 139 and now holding exactly 138 as a support into closing. So now tomorrow on Amazon, this gap, it's not going to get filled anytime soon. Amazon can hold above 138. It's going to run all the way up to 143 to 146, and that would be a new 52-week high on Amazon. Now below 138, we have strong support also down here, 136.39, and just below that, we also have support at 134.66, 132.72, red line 50 SMA. On Google stock is up 0.31%. Now Google here getting exhausted from this massive run to the upside. So I think at some point you're going to see a small pullback down to, I would say, around 135 to 133. And that's going to be a dip buying opportunity, at least for a swing trade or maybe even a day trade. Now above 135, Google stock can move higher, and you're going to see 140, the next stop on Google stock. We do have support at 135, 134.45, 133, 131.36, white line 20 SMA and then 130. On Microsoft, it's down 0.31%. And what's happening here on Microsoft? Again, we're getting that Bollinger Band squeeze. So just like Google stock, there could be a big move that is coming on Microsoft. And that can take Microsoft all the way up to 345 or possibly down to, 300 or even lower. So Microsoft here, guys, so far it's holding above 320, 364, and now it's holding 326.33 as a support right above this blue line 5 SMA. So if that holds right here, then watch out for a breakout above right here 333, and soon as that happens, that's going to be a breakout, but this Bollinger Band has to expand all the way up to 339, and that would be a bullish breakout to the upside. Now Microsoft comes down and takes out 323.64 and then finally takes out 320 all the way down to 316, 310 to 311, and then flat 300. On Apple stock, we got a flat day, but look at this, guys. And that is why, if you want to go and watch my video from 2 weeks ago, right here, exactly like this. And I said it right here that, guys, Apple stock here, if you look at my screen, RSI getting down to 2730. And the last time we saw that, it was down here, and then a massive, massive rally. And I was not wrong. Now a monstrous rally to the upside, almost closing the gap just above 190. And that is why the charts and technicals, they never lie. And I gave you guys all these examples. And guess who lies? People like Ron Walker making crash videos. I mean, that guy is just something, guys. Now on Apple stock, if you look at my screen, getting a bit overbought. So yes, we could see a pullback, but knowing Apple, this thing can jump up and close this gap early as tomorrow. And then we could see a pullback down to right here around 186.50. And only if that breaks, you're going to see Apple stock down here around 185 and then 183. Apple stock can hold above 186.50. You're going to see 190 plus, and then this gap right here on top, 195. But I think that's going to take a little bit of time on Apple stock. This move already, it's a big move on Apple stock. So wait for that on Apple. On AMD, stock is down 0.82%, so slightly down on the day, but AMD going back up to 108. And just like I said, getting rejected from this white line 20 SMA and also bottom of this channel right here. So now AMD holding 105 as a support. And if that gives up, free fall all the way down to flat 100. Above 108, watch out for a move up to 111. Red line 50 SMA, and soon as that breaks, you're going to see a quick trip all the way up to this gap 115.49. On Nvidia, stock is up 0.18%, kind of a flat day on Nvidia. So early as tomorrow, looks like Nvidia wants to hit another new all-time high, and that could be just above 502.66. Again today, Nvidia trading at a new all-time high almost for the day, hitting 497.44. So tomorrow, guys, watch Nvidia here. If this thing only gets down to, I would say, 482 to 480, that would be a zone you can take some risk for some calls. But as soon as the stock breaks below 480, you're going to see a flush down to 462.49. Now, Nvidia stays right here around 490. Well, good luck buying here because that will be chasing right here, Nvidia. And if you get lucky making money here, that is totally up to you, but I would not be chasing Nvidia at 490. Wait for a pullback at least down to 482 to 480. Now Nvidia, like I said, looks like we're going to see another fresh new all-time high, and that could be above 502.66, possibly up to 518 to 520. On Netflix, we got a flat day, only down 0.23%, and again getting rejected where? 437, and looks like this is like the third time getting rejected right here at 437. So Netflix right here, guys, if you look at my screen, it's holding 430 to 431 as a support. As long as Netflix can hold 430, you're going to see a quick trip all the way up to 443 and possibly up to even 450. Now, only time Netflix breaks below 430, you're going to see some downside all the way down to 426 and then 419 down here. And that's all I have for you guys in this video. Thank you so much for watching.